Welcome guys, my name is Subha Malik, and in this video I am going to share with you an extremely useful software that is going to release on 31st of March that can help you create this type of how to draw books with great ease. You can see the end result from the software. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 step of how to draw book, and there are also pages where the steps are more than 5, even 10 steps, 9 steps. These are really high quality books created by the software, and I'm going to show you the second version of the books that software can create. And this is this type of books. You can see this is grid based, and these are the indices of the grids. And you can also add a blank grid here. You can see I have created multiple pages using the software, using my own images. This is a really useful software, and it is going to release on 31st March. Now the question is, why how to draw books? Let me show you the niche. These are the books that are selling really well inside this how to draw niche, and you can see here how to draw 101 cute stuff for kids. And this book is currently ranking at 59 in all books department, and it is making really good money. And this is the second book, how to draw book for kids, and this is from a brand, well-known brand, and these are making very good money, 1180 in all books department. There is another book from the same author. The author name is Sophia Elizabeth, and this is how to draw animals for kids, and it is really ranking high in the search results, 362 number in all books. Okay, and the final one I want to show you is the drawing book for kids. This is making really good money. You can see here 1231 in books at the time of making this video. So these books are making really good money, and this is very good niche, and you can enter this niche with great ease with the help of this software. I have already shown you the quality of the software here, and let me show you the features and the different upgrades this software is going to give you. This software is going to release on 31st of March, and during the launch you can get massive discounts. Let me repeat, during the launch you can get massive discounts on all upgrades. So this software is created by the same authors that released Math Worksheet Generator and Instant Puzzle Generator. This is the software here. I have just created this 5 and 7 steps how to draw books, and there are basically front-end version, OTO 1, OTO 2 and OTO 3, and there are different features. With the front-end version, that is a must to buy. You can only create this type of books. You can create this type of books with the front-end version, and if you want to upgrade to the pro version, you will also have different features, and if you want to upgrade to premium and the elite features, you will also have very good features, and you can create full books without the need of any graphic designer, any graphic design software. So let me show you different versions of this software. This software is called How to Draw Books Generator. Okay, let me show you the first version of this. Let me log out this one and log into the front-end version, so that you can see the features of the front-end version first and the next upgrades. Once you log in using your username and password, you will see this screen under My Apps. I'm seeing this app, How to Draw Books Generator. You can click on the Access Now, and it will take you to this page. Here you can purchase the optional upgrades. You can see these. I don't have access to these upgrades because I am logged into this version only. So I can access here how to draw front end. This is a must to purchase, because without purchasing this you cannot upgrade to the next level of this software. So once you are here, you can see 3 tabs. Canvas, you can see this uploads. It allows you to upload your own images, and you can also see the settings. Once you click on the settings, you can select the page size. Like you can select here different page sizes. I have selected the maximum page size, that is 8.5 into 11 inches. You can also select the page numbering. I am selecting the page 1, and you can also click on the center line, the page numbers, and start number at page number 1, because I am starting from scratch. You can also change the page margins and click on show margin, page margins here, and then click on update. And if you clone this page, margin will auto shift. If you are using different margins, it will auto shift for left and right page. That is very good feature inside this software. So let's create the first how to draw page. You can come here and click on this one, this pen icon, and it will add a default grid, and with this default image, now you have the capability to upload your own images. Just click on the upload button and click on upload images. Here I have downloaded some sample images to showcase capabilities of the software. Control press A, and then you can click on open. All these images will be uploaded to this. Before uploading the image, I can make changes to this grid. Let me zoom in, and you can work on any zoom level, 25%, 50, 75, 100. So I will show you the features, whole features of this software in a minute. So I am working on the 25% zoom. So you can click here and right click and open settings, and here you can change the settings, like you can change the grid size here, column and rows. Then click on update and it will change the grid size here. Next you can click on the clip image section. You can show left. If you have a very symmetrical image, you can click on the show left button and click on update, and it will mirror the image. The child can mirror the second drawing page and complete the drawing, but this wouldn't work for this bare image. I am just showing you the options here. Show right, and it will clip the right section here. Similarly, you can play around with the settings. Let me show the indices. If you click on the indices and click update, you can see here the row numbers and the column numbers. The rows are A, B, C and alphabet, and here are the number up to 7. You can also change the font size of this indices here. If you click on here and click to 100, and it will update. In this way you can change the grid settings. You can also add a secondary grid here. Just click here, number 2, and click update. There are a lot of options here. You can also go to 3 if you want to, but I am sticking with number 2. It looks great. Okay, we have set the default settings. You can also flip the image here to X axis and Y axis here, and let me add no clipping here first. Move the clipping option here, no clipping, and show you the flipping option. Now you can see it has flipped here. Okay, let right click, open settings, and here I can change the Y axis here and update, and it rotates the image. Anyhow, these are optional settings. You can uncheck these. Now let's add our own image. This is the default image. You can add your own image here. Click on the uploads here. Select an image, like I have selected apple, and then click on insert here, and it will replace the image. Now you can play around with your image. Open settings here, and you can increase its image size. Just go here, image size as a multiple like this, and update, and it will increase the size of the image. Now here is another thing. You can either duplicate this page and create a second page for practice. This is practice page. Click this image and click here and remove image. Now you have added a blank canvas. Similarly, you can add the same practice page on the same page. All you need to do is use Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Just zoom out, place this here and reduce its size. Now Ctrl C and Ctrl V from your keyboard, and it creates a duplicate of the first image. Okay, reduce its size a bit here. These are all features of the front-end version. Let me zoom in. Now you can remove this image from the second half of this page. Click on this image and remove image here. And now there is a practice page for kid on one page here. So now you can duplicate this page, and it will be able to create a second page using your default settings. Now click here and go to uploads and click on the second image and replace. Insert, and it will auto replace your image. Similarly, you can clone pages and keep adding images, different images. I have added this car image here. So I have quickly created 3 how to draw pages for kids inside the front-end version. These are all the features of front-end. With front-end, you can create this type of books only. You are limited to 100 downloads, and you cannot change the color of these grids and color of these indices here. And you can only download this as PNG, JPG and PDF. Okay, I can click here and click download and save it as PDF. 3 pages of my book are ready. You can create 20 pages, you can create 30 pages, as many pages you want. How to draw for kids. Click save, and it is going to save on the hard drive, and you can click open here, and you can see your recently created how to draw pages. Practice space is also included, page numbers are also included here, and margins are also added. So you can quickly create how to draw books using this how to draw books generator. So this was the front-end version. Let me show you the complete features of this front-end version. These are the complete features of the front-end version. You can take a screenshot and read yourself. Let me read a few of them. Intuitive point and click dashboard for easy creation of how to draw lesson based on grids. Can control drawing grid cell size and number of cells, create subgrids and hide them on the fly. Easily number the rows and columns with numbers and letters and flip them one click. Easy image upload functionality allows you to upload your own images. Easy blank grid creation option for kids to practice drawing. Half height feature that allows you to create pages where half of the drawing is available and the rest is to be drawn by the kids. Choose from the multiple trim sizes for page based on your book's needs. Multiple page numbering styles. These are all long list of features for the front end version only. Let me show you the pricing here. This is the special launch price here. Front end version would be $47 only during the launch period. Launch period is 31st March to April 3rd, I think so. After launch, you will have front end version for $67. If you want to upgrade to Pro version, you will need to purchase for $67. After launch, it would be $97. How to draw premium would be $197, and after launch it would be $297. How to draw elite would be $67, and after launch it would be $97. You can take the screenshot here. Let me show you the features of this second version, that is how to draw books generator pro version. Now I have logged into account that has the front version plus the OTO one, that is also known as how to draw books generator pro. As you can see here, I have access to front end version and the pro version here. Click on access now. Default collection. This is the blank page again. Here we can add the default page here. Also go to our upload here, add our own image here. Let me add this image here, that is increase the size, zoom in. Now we can go to settings, open settings, and we can do different things with this. I can clip the show left part here. I can also increase the size here. I can increase the grids level here. It will show the double grid here. Let's remove the clipping for the moment. Now click on the show indices here. The pro version has the features of coloring, like you can click here, go to colors and add different color options here. But you won't need this for Amazon KDP, I think so. You can also change the secondary grid color here, update here, and it will change the secondary grid color as well. You can also flip the indices here. Click on flip, and this is also available in the front version as well. Now the indices are shifted. ABC is here and 1, 2, 3 is here. So the basic difference between the front end and the pro version is pro version comes with the color option. It also comes with the PPTX PowerPoint download. This is needed for the backup option. This is very good option here for pro users. Also you have unlimited downloads. With the front end version you have 100 downloads per month. Every time you click on the download button, our download is counted. So in the front end you have 100 downloads, and with the pro version you have unlimited downloads, and there is no limitation on downloads. Also a bulk delete action here in the pro version. It was missing, I think so, in the front end version. Also you have the bulk clone option in the pro version. These are the features of pro version. So these are the features of the OTO1 or how to draw books generator pro. Simple bulk clone option. There is bulk clone option on every page. You can create multiple pages in one click. Unlimited books downloads. You have unlimited downloads per month. Unlimited font colors, unlimited color choices, grid lines. You can change the colors of grid lines. Download as PowerPoint files. Randomize pages. There is a randomize option inside the pro version, and there is global delete option. These are the key features of the pro version. But to purchase the pro version, you also need to purchase the front version as well. So let's go to the next optional upgrade, that is the premium. You can see here I have access to front end version, pro version, and now I have access to premium version. You can buy the front end version and premium version. You can also buy the front end and pro version. You can skip the pro if you want the versions of the software. At the moment I have access to 3. So access now, default collection here and here. The premium version or OTO2 gives you access to this editor tool that is very good. They are building this to such a level that you will not need any Adobe Illustrator or any Adobe Photoshop to create layered images. You can upload layered images or SVGs inside this software, and you can edit them, add layers, delete layers, and combine layers to create unique different steps how to draw books. For example, I came here and then click on this one, upload, and just click on the blank area here, and here you can upload your own SVG file, that is layered file. You cannot add any PNG or JPG. You need to add a layered SVG files. I have uploaded these files here. You can click and upload multiple files and click open, and it will be open here. Then click upload again, and all images would be added under this tab, that is how to draw element. You can see the features of this upgrade. You have edit option, you have clone option, and you have delete option. You can quickly edit an image, copy an image, and delete an image. For example, I want to copy this image. This is the flower image here. Click copy and it will immediately copy this layer. You can also see the information about the layers. All these have layers written here. This is 10 layers, this is 8 layers, this is 8 layers, and this is 9 layers. So you will also have the information about the layers. You can add or delete layers from any given SVG. Like I want to delete a layer from this. This is 9 layers. I want to make it 8 layers. I will click on the edit option and I will merge these two layers. So you can click on the second layer, this one, and you can click on merge previous, and you will see now we have 8 layers. You can click on the save. You can see these two has been merged. There were 2 layers here. This portion was separate and this portion was separate. Now these 2 portions are merged. Click on save and you will see this is now 8 layers. In this way you can add and delete layers. Let me try another one. You can delete a portion from here, these images, like you can select here and go to settings here and delete selected elements, and these selected element would be deleted. In this way you can quickly edit your images. Before editing any image you need to copy this so that original is intact. I have just created this how to draw pages using the layered files with how to draw worksheet generators premium version using the editor app. You can see here I have uploaded these images, all 7 images, and this is the 8-step template I have used. Let me show you the process. So I came here on the template section and I search for the 8-step templates. You can see, hover over the template and see the number of steps. This is 7. I am looking for the 8-step templates because I have most of the images with 8 steps. This is the 8-step images. Click on this and it will add a blank page. Let me delete the previous pages here. Delete all these pages, and we have now added this 8 steps on the canvas. Now you can click on the bulk clone and click here step by step layers, and it will show you the all uploaded images with layers information. I have 8 layers, this is 8 layers, and this is 8 layers. Now I can create 1, 2, 3, 8 layers pages in just one click. Just click on apply and it has created how to draw pages for me with 8 layers SVGs. If you have 20 images with 8 layer SVGs, you can create 20 pages. If you have 50, you can create 50 pages with bulk clone option. This is how powerful this editor tool and this premium version is. For this upgrade, you need to upload your own images here. So you need to upload your own elements here. But in the next upgrade, you will be provided with almost 500 images, PNGs, and also layered images. So before going to that upgrade, let me show you the features of this premium version. This is the features of premium version step-by-step drawing creation tool, the tool I have referred to. Create step-by-step drawing from your own images. Create unique content that is unlike anything else. Easy drag and drop or upload option to add the SVGs. Edit, clone and delete the image with one click. Clone feature to work on an image without changing the original file. Advanced technology to read the images of simple or complex designs. Create and delete layers in few clicks. Move elements between layers and steps. Merge the steps with previous or next steps in one click. Easy to use color codes to work with the images. Zoom in and zoom out feature to work with the images. Let me show you the zoom in, zoom out in a minute. Bulk upload option to add multiple SVGs at once. I have shown you before. Premium training modules showing you the best practices to create your own content to be compatible with the tool. Available for one-time fee. Immediately after the launch, the price will move to an annual recurring model. 40 plus unique step-by-step drawing page layouts with built-in automation. So let me show you the zoom in and zoom out option. And if you want to edit any image, just click copy here and then go to the copy file here, click edit and just scroll to zoom in and zoom out. This is zoom in here. You can scroll or click your mouse and drag. You can zoom in and zoom out like this, or you can drag and drop. Drag it anywhere to see its various parts and edit the layers. Then once you are satisfied with the look and feel of this, you can click save. I am now cancelling this one. So these are all the features and different options under the premium upgrade. Now let's talk about the final upgrade, that is Elite. With the OTO 3 or how to draw books generator Elite, 500 design elements are included. That are 500 SVGs files created in a simple style to appeal kids aged 6 to 8 years. Call out box that add a cute and fun dimension to your books. One shot multiple step insertion into a worksheet. One shot multiple step multiple pages insertion into workbook. These are the options with the Elite upgrade. So let me show you the Elite in action. If you have Elite upgrades, you will have access to how to draw books front end, and this Elite one you can also have access to these if you have purchased them. You will see a button here if you don't have access, and you can purchase within the dashboard. Just access now and default collection, and here under images you will see this done for you images here. This is included in Elite options. There are almost 500 images here. These are all done for you PNGs and SVGs. You can use them to create the basic this kind of books like this one. You can click here on the images and go here. You can add any image and you can play around with the settings, like you can increase the size, you can add indices and things like that. In this way you can use these done for you images. These are almost 500 images included with this upgrade, and under this split step process you will also see these 500 layer images. These are all done for you. These come with the Elite upgrade, and let me show you the pricing. So this software is going to be launched on 31st March 2023 at 11 AM Eastern time, and launch period would end on 3rd April 2023. And launch end time is 11:59 PM Eastern Standard Time. And here are the pricing again. During the launch you will have these prices: $47 front end, Pro version for $67, Premium version for $197. That is the editor tool that helps you create unique books. And after the upgrade it will turn into an annual subscription that could be $297 up to $497. And this is the Elite. You can get this for $67, and with after launch you can get this for $97. For most people front version is sufficient. If you want to have unlimited downloads and PowerPoint files, you can get these two upgrades for $47 and $67. And if you want to have more control and create very different unique books, you can also upgrade to this one. This is the front end, and you will also have access to this one. This is $197 premium version. And if you want to speed up the process and create multiple books in very limited time, you can also have access to the Elite option, that is the $67. So these are all the pricing. These are all the features of the software. I hope you will love this video, and if you have any questions, do leave in the comment section below. I will make another video about the software very soon. Thanks for watching. There would be a link in the description. You can check this out or bookmark this link if you have before launch, so that you can have early access to. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.